Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is lamb chops in the air fryer, a Moroccan way with some nice spices. They are crispy from the outside and very juicy from the inside. In Morocco we serve them with green tea, Moroccan green tea and mint. This mint is from my backyard. So delicious green tea also. As you see here, the lamb chops are brown from the outside, and if you try my recipe, they will be really juicy from the inside. Stay with me and follow the recipe step by step, and you will love it. For this recipe, we need the lamb chops. Try to find the ones that they are meaty a little bit. Chopped onions, or you ground it in the food processor, some parsley, cayenne pepper or chili powder if you like it spicy, salt, and black pepper. That's very simple, and we will add a little bit of olive oil. Okay, to the onions, we add our lamb chops. We will put everything together and marinate this overnight or a few hours at least. Now we add the chopped parsley, fresh parsley. If you don't have it, you can use the dry parsley, only add like 1 spoon of water to it, and you can add it to this mixture. Some salt to taste. And black pepper, like a half teaspoon here of black pepper. And some cayenne pepper or chili powder for the people that like it a little bit spicy. That's optional. But the most important is salt, pepper, parsley, and onions. And to this lamb chops, I add some olive oil. That will make it moist and also don't stick on the air fryer when we are cooking it. And the mixture of the onions and this marinade will leave the meat very soft, tender, and juicy when you cook it from the inside. Even if it will be brown and crispy from the outside, the inside will be very juicy. Try this this way. Now we cover this lamb chops with a plastic wrap, and we will leave it on the refrigerator for a few hours at least, or overnight. Marinate in this spices and onion. Then we cook it next day, or you can marinate it in the morning to be ready for dinner. For me, I marinated my lamb chops overnight. Now I took the basket of the air fryer and start putting the lamb chops there. Put them only in one layer. Be sure it's only one layer. Don't put them on the top of each other. To be sure that you will cook from both sides even and nice, and get crispy, brown and crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. As you see, these lamb chops are small. They are not too big. They will not take a long time in cooking. I will adjust my air fryer, the temperature 400 Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, and I will start with 15 minutes 400 Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, see how they're looking brown, nice and crispy from the outside here. I will see with a knife, try to see if they are tender or not yet. See, they look very tender. When I touch it with the knife, they are tender. But I will flip them to the other side to get brown from the other side and finish their cooking. Still need a few other minutes to be done. For this size of lamb chops, I will add only 5 minutes for the second side. It was almost done after 15 minutes. Add only 5 minutes to finish cooking and get brown from the second side too. Look, they are really nice and crispy from the outside now, from both sides, and they are done. Now I put them on the serving plate. Really, they were so delicious and nutritious. Brown, crispy from the outside, juicy from the inside. You see? Try my way and with these spices and this kind of marinade, and you will see the results. You will love this lamb chops this way. And in Morocco, usually we serve like lamb chops or kebabs, anything that we grilled, something like that, with Moroccan green tea and mint. Our green tea, usually we add fresh mint to it. That's my fresh mint from my backyard. That was the recipe for today. Some crispy, nice lamb chops, very tasty. Let me know in the comments how did you like it and how did you like my green tea with my mint, organic mint from the backyard. See you next time in a new recipe and enjoy.